So when you think about Goa, it's all about fun, fun and fun. And then when you are on this coastal belt of Goa, I'm at Anjuna. You will only think about parties, parties and parties, and you can see Fiturr there. We are in Fiturr, Anjuna, Fiturr, which is a restaurant which is happening, always happening, started in November somewhere. And today why we are here on this auspicious day, today it's 79th Independence Day of India, and you won't believe Fiturr is celebrating in an unique way. When I say unique way, it's not just partying, like celebrating this Independence Day. It's about talking about women entrepreneurs. Let's find out what is it all about, because we can see a lineup of around 20 and more tables, all women engaged with their businesses. Let's check out. So we have with us the founder of Fiturr, sir. So this initiative what you have taken today on the eve of Independence Day, you are trying to promote entrepreneurs, women entrepreneurs.
Yes.
What is this initiative and why did you take it?
So in 2025, India is celebrating Operation Sindoor, which everybody is aware of. So, which has been led by fearless women, and all three forces were led by women. So I thought that why not to encourage and celebrate this Independence Day with entrepreneurs of Goa who are women, and they are enjoying themselves and showcasing their products. So this initiative came in my mind through that only. So including that, I just wanted to continue that celebration and want everybody to celebrate the Independence Day.
79th Independence Day, and we feel great because if you see around here, you will see so many independent women who are working for themselves, at the same time providing employment to other women also in Goa. And past 7-8 years through Weben or through Go Womania, we have been relentlessly working towards this sector where we empower and uplift women entrepreneurs through different initiatives. So we organize workshops, and this is one of a kind of event that we are hosting along with Fiturr. So one of our webinite, Masrat Tang, she took this lead to bring people not only from Porvorim kiva Panji, from South Goa also.
Everybody is into fun, masti, When we are celebrating independence and we say we are empowering women, somebody had to think about the startups that women are doing from their home. So why just doing another thing which everybody else is doing? So we thought, why not, empower women who are starting small businesses, doing own stuff, give them a little platform where people would know about them. So that was the only thing, and I approached Anshuman, the founder of Fiturr. I requested him, can we do this for women? And he was like, why not? So this is how Weben, Vibes and Verbs and Fiturr got together, and we bought the startups here. So that's just an initiative for startups to get a platform.
Just a brief history about Fiturr.
So Fiturr, we opened this place in November, and from that time we are having all the events, and we are promoting the Goan's band, Goan community, and we want this place to be a cult place, so that people should come up and enjoy the food, cocktails, ambience, and have a good time with their family.
I feel very excited. I was very nervous, but now I feel so proud of these women because they come up here without any exposure and they have the show. So yes, I'm very proud of everybody here.
So I was part of WebN also, and we are like, there's nothing like a women entrepreneurs group, and we are all succeeding in making each other successful. And I think it's a very good initiative that Fiturr has taken to showcase, and especially on Independence Day. So I'm very glad and happy. Kahaniya.
This is all about?
It's all about photography. So we do photographs for people who are coming to Goa, group events, parties, and especially working with women entrepreneurs, their products. So we do a lot of product photography with them, and yeah.
Another beautiful, gorgeous lady. Ma'am, welcome.
Thank you so much.
I've been watching and we've been watching this ramp walks, and I heard that full credit goes to you.
Yeah, I am a freelancer makeup artist. My brand name is Glamour by Divya, and I take online and offline classes for makeup, hair, skincare, and personality development also. And this event is mostly of Fiturr and Masrat. It was just an idea which I gave her that let's come up with some ramp walk for the ladies and let's get everyone together कि सबको business मिले और जो women entrepreneurs हैं उनका गोवा में जो the people जिनको पता नहीं है, right? तो people will also come to know. So we took a initiative and we decided and here we are.
My product, I'm a business coach. I mentor startups, especially women. So I work with them, I help them start businesses, I help them explore different channels. So that's what I do. I mentor them to how to become brand.
So you can see women who are here who have traveled all the way 60 kilometers to present their work, to showcase their work. And I believe that each and every woman has got some talent. They just need such platforms. And it is so colorful and vibrant to see different artists from different industry. And if you see the product also, the packaging, the labeling, the varieties of products, so you can yourself make out how good they are at their work. And I feel proud that women is helping such women, and we will help women not only today, but whenever we get chance, whenever we get opportunities, not only in Goa, across India. So this is my vision as well as mission.
Yes, Fiturr itself means obsession. So जिनको फितूर है गाने का, डांस करने का, enjoy करने का, खाने का, so they can come along over here in this roof. And we are here to give the opportunities to all the Goans and other people to showcase their talent over here. In coming times, we are having a few events where we will be giving the cash prizes as well. So something related to the karaoke competition and other things. So yeah.
देखिए इनिशिएटिव लेना आई मीन डिफरेंट थिंग ऑफ कोर्स इट्स अ वेरी बोल्ड स्टेप लेकिन प्लेटफॉर्म प्रोवाइड करना विच फितूर ने कर लिया है तो उनका मतलब बिजनेस ऐसा है कि जहाँ पे फॉलोइंग्स बहुत होते हैं फिर भी ऑन दिस डे दे हैव टेकन दिस इनिशिएटिव उसके बारे में बताइए.
Yes, it's a very big initiative. Masrat came with this idea कि मैं tables और फितूर as a place देती हूँ सारे women entrepreneurs को, and here we are, and she has not charged a single penny also from anyone, and hats off to her, hats off to Fiturr team, the owner, and this is a wonderful event. You can see around women's and even families are there, everyone is enjoying, बच्चों के लिए games हैं, lots and lots of things are there.
I think it's very commendable by them to do something like this, because not everybody looks at an event like this, and Fiturr has taken the initiative to do it, and I think we should be very proud of them
म्हाका अशें दिसता की when you have connections, you should know how to make use of those connections. And because Masrat Gang is part of Women, through her we got these opportunities. We have been, Fiturra बद्दल तर already आम्ही ऐकला पहिली की Fiturr असा Anjuna असा restaurant, it's a nice place. There are lot many customers, like not only Goan but outside, more like you see tourists come here, right? And for us also to reach to tourists, sometimes it is difficult because it's mostly in this side, like Anjuna, Kalangud, Baga side.
I will say she is like a strength to me, and she invited us to Fiturr, and thanks to Masrat and the Fiturr owner, sir, that this platform was provided for her. It's a beautiful, wonderful place.
initiative. And then I think we have seen not maybe more than 15 to 20 participants here.
हाँ जी,
कैसे लगता है?
अच्छा लगता है. मेरे से ज़्यादा अच्छा तो उन लोगों को लगना चाहिए कि वो लोग इधर आए and they have enjoyed themselves. And I hope we are going to take this thing forward, and probably every month we'll be having something different for the community, for the people of Goa. And I request all the Goans and rest of the nation to come up and let's do something to encourage each other.
We have a close network. We have a group of entrepreneurs, more than 100. So, we invited all the 100 entrepreneurs. From that, we got 50% turnout. And we were expecting, and it's the first time we are doing. So, anytime first, people are very excited to explore. Even we wanted to explore this opportunity. And you can see all the tables are full with the products. And I'm hoping that, many people come and have a look at the product. It's not just about buying things at the first time. It's about seeing, observing, liking, and then sharing it with others also.
As we say, like when you think about Goa, it's all about party, tourism, fun, and then this sudden, you can say like, जैसे Operation Sindoor आपने बताया ना, it's an operation in between.
No, actually, definitely, Goa is meant for fun, loving people around. But along with that, there are a lot of people. It's a community जो बहुत संजीदा लोगों की है. Those who people love literature and they want to have something which is totally out of the box. So for that, my practice and my vision is that I should bring all those people over here. And in next month we are planning to have a Mushaira night over here. So where we'll be getting all the good poets of India on this platform, and people who are here in Goa who loves to have a poetry night or something like that. So definitely we are going to do that.
So what next?
What next? Next again I'm going to trouble Fiturr for another problem. So I seriously extend my thanks to Anshuman for letting women showcase their products here. Seriously, I mean, at this time, sales time, he's giving his platform for women. It's a big gesture. So yes, hands off to him. So Fiturr is a family restaurant where we offer multi-cuisine and a lot of entertainment on every night. This is where we bring in, a friendly atmosphere for pets, family, kids, It's like a family thing, we have it here. So it's not like a regular restaurant, you go get attended. We welcome you. It's like coming to a home and getting entertained. So that's what we bring in Fiturr. So that's what family is.
Ambience amazing, as you can see, and it's very cool. Even like during rains, I think the property is beautiful, and the food, I think you should try their food. It's amazing.
Anything in specific about Fiturr?
Like, come and enjoy. I think you should check the vibe for yourself, because I don't think words can explain what you'll experience.
इसके आगे मतलब this was just 20, now it will be 200 next. So be prepared for that.
Yes,
Congratulations
we are.
once again.
Fiturr is ready to host all the women. Yes.
I would like to thank you and your team as well for covering the event, and thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.